Is IQ Option a legit broker or not? We will find out in this video. My name is Andre from Trusted Broker Reviews, and I show you exactly what you can trade with IQ Option. We have a full platform tool with my real account. We already deposited here more than $1,000 to test this broker. This broker is based in Europe. It's an international broker. They have clients all over the world, like India, Brazil, Russia, Australia, UK. IQ Option is very famous for the by the most traders, and yeah, you can start here with only $10 trading. So I'm already on the main page of IQ Option, and you can directly see what they offer here. You can trade Forex, you can trade stocks, you can trade crypto, commodities, ETFs, and more financial products. So overall, IQ Option is a multi-currency, multi-asset broker with a lot of assets. I will show you that in my account too, so you get a deeper look into it, what you can do with the platform in a second. So another important feature of this broker is the regulation. So a broker should be always regulated. I don't recommend to trade with unregulated broker. You can see they got the CySEC license in Europe. And yeah, this is the main page of IQ Option. You can see here some stats, but I will show you that in my account too. Yeah, you can deposit with different methods like PayPal, NetTeller, and yeah, PayPal, this is a huge advantage. Very few brokers got PayPal, but IQ Option got it. So a big advantage, and they got a very customizable platform from my experience. Yeah. So that was a short overview about IQ Option. You see here some awards, and yeah, the broker was founded in 2014. Yeah, and they are full regulated, and offer you trading with $1 only. You can invest in an asset $1 only and start trading with $10. What's also important with this broker is the free education and the free demo account. You can test this broker for free. You will find the registration link in the YouTube description below this video. Just register your account and try it out completely free. And yeah, let's go into my trading account. I will show you this platform, give you a very deep look into it. We will go through the different functions and what you can do on this platform. So let's have a look on the platform, and here it is. I'm already logged in. You see here we deposited $1,000. And if you are a new trader, you can click just here and switch between the practice account and the real money account. That means if you click here on the practice account, you are trading with virtual money. So this is the demo account, and yeah, you can try out every function. There are no differences between these two accounts. It's just real money, or it's your demo account. So for practice, we will use the demo account in this video, but I will show you how to deposit here. You just click on deposit and can use here different methods. The payment methods are depending on your country, so be careful. Some countries, as you saw before, got PayPal. Yeah, you can deposit and withdraw with PayPal or other methods. Yeah, but yeah, here are a lot of methods for you for deposit and withdrawing money. Just use this. You can just start with $10 deposit, and you see the money is safely stored in European banks. The broker doesn't trade against you, and they use regulated payment methods. So this is how you deposit. Withdrawal works like this. Just click on your balance and click on withdrawal, and they will do it in less than 24 hours. I did some withdrawals with this broker, and this was via electronic method like NetTeller, and yeah, some hours and the money was on my account. So they are very fast. This broker is very fast, but you should verify your account before. You see here this small sign here on my account. That means my account isn't fully verified, so there is I think one document is missing, or they didn't prove it yet. But yeah, you should verify your account fully, so you can deposit and withdrawal with no problems with this broker. So I will switch now to the practice account here. And if you make a loss in this practice account, just click on deposit and you can fill it up again to $10,000. So for practice, I will use this demo account. So where we can start on the assets. If you want to trade a new asset, I will close this stuff here and I will open a new asset. You can do it with this plus here. Besides that, I know the mobile trading app of IQ Option is working like the desktop version or the web version. Yeah, for traders, you can download the desktop version so you can start trading from your desktop, or just use the web version like me. And yeah, the mobile app works the same, and there are the same functions from my experience. So if you want to open a new chart or new asset, or customize it, you can click here, or you can click here and open a new asset or a new financial product. You see there are options, and they offer binary options up to 100% yield or return of investments. If you got a VIP account like me, there are sometimes more there's sometimes more return of investment. You see this here, for example, I get 2% more on this asset. This is depending on the market and the market structure with this VIP conditions. So it can change sometimes. And yeah, we can use here binary options. I will show you that how it works. We can use here digital options. We can use here Forex trading with a high leverage for up to 1 to 1,000. We can use stocks. There are stocks to trade with a high leverage. You can use here Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, more than 28 cryptocurrencies with different leverages. You can trade commodities, this is also important, and you can trade ETFs or indices. Yeah, Dow Jones Index, Dow Jones ETF is possible to trade, S&P oil, gas, and more assets. And you see here some stats of the assets. For example, this asset is open in 24 minutes. When the American Stock Exchange is opening, you can trade it here on IQ Option. So let's start with the binary option. For example, I'm using, let's have a look which we use. Let's take the US dollar or Euro Australian dollar or the Euro pound dollar. You open the new chart and you see it here directly. On the right side, you see the order window, and we will customize this chart first for our analysis. We can change it here on the left side below the chart. I use candlesticks because I get more information out of the market. And yeah, I can zoom in, zoom out just with my mouse. It's very easy to do. And yeah, it works very smooth. That's what I like on IQ Option, because the handling of the chart, this is very good and very fast. There are no lags, and it should work with your computer. So we can change the time frame from 5 seconds to 1 month. I will, for example, use the 5-minute chart, and now one candle has the expiry time of 5 minutes. So this is my chart. We can also use graphical tools like trend lines, lines. We can draw here trend lines very easy on this platform. And yeah, they offer you all tools what you need. You can delete it directly like you want. You can use horizontal lines for mark the highs. And yeah, customize it with the color. Every tool on this platform is customizable. Yeah, and that's what I like on IQ option, because yeah, you can do what you want with this chart, trade like you want, use every strategy, and yeah, this is very good in my opinion. Then we can use different indicators. Yeah, for example, popular indicators. I will use here, for example, the moving average, normal moving average, and we can just use the settings just for example to show you. And now I'm implemented the moving average. Though this is a price average of 12 periods as we saw before, and we can use here some other indicators like trend indicators. I'm searching for the RSI, or I can just type in it here in the search file, and I will find this indicator. Now the RSI is very popular because it shows you where to sell maybe, or where to buy maybe, and you implement it here below. You can also save this settings like a template, yeah, to show it on other charts. And yeah, you can save these indicators here. Very easy to do. So that's all about the charting. The charting with this platform is professional because you can use every indicator, you can use different tools, you can customize it like you want, use every strategy, long-term, short-term trading, you can use fundamental analysis, you can use technical analysis, what you want with IQ option. So how to trade this stuff, and for binary option, for example, you get a profit here, a fixed profit. You just have to invest if the market goes higher or goes lower in a certain time period, and if you are right, you get the 79% of profit. For example, if I set here $1,000, I can earn $780 in 1 minute. So it depends on your expiry time. You can trade very short with 1 minute expiry time, but you can also trade with different hour, more than 1 hour, like 2 hours, 70 o'clock, or end of the week or end of the month trades. This is also possible, and yeah, it's very easy in the practice account. You just have to click here. I will do this. For example, this is just an example trade to show you how it works. I'm using the expiry time. Let's use this time, and yeah, I click on higher. So I'm into the trade. You see here, I'm bought here, and I'm already in the profit because the price only have to be above my entry point. I said the price have to be above my entry point after this time, and yeah, if I'm wrong, I will lose my investment. I can sell it before, but I won't do it. And yeah, if I'm right, I'm win the high profit, or I'm losing the investment. So let's just wait for this and have a look next to it on the other assets. Digital options are very similar to binary options, but you can trade it here with a strike. So IQ option shows you here a strike. So they did some changings in this digital options. So it's like volatility options. I click here. Okay, there's a new function. I didn't saw this before. You choose your strike, and the chart have to go above your strike or below your strike. This depends, it's depending on you, and yeah, you see here different profits. It's a little bit difficult to explain here. You have to try it in the demo account just first pick your strike and then set higher or lower. And yeah, it's depending on your strike which yield you will get. So if I'm using this strike, I get 137 profit. If I use this strike or this strike, I get 87% of profit. So it's similar to binary option, but with a strike here, these digital options. Yeah, I like this normal binary options more, but it's depending on the trader. So we see here was my entry point, and I'm already in the win. You see this here, the expiry time 2 minutes, and I'm waiting for the result. So let's have a look on Forex. I'm using the Euro US dollar. Forex is buying and selling this currency. So I will zoom in, and yeah, it works a little bit different because it isn't an option. You buy the Euro US dollar or you sell the Euro US dollar, and if the Euro US dollar is moving in your direction, you earn profit. So let's have a look here. I'm investing like $1,000 again. So I go in with an investment of $1,000. You see here there's a multiplier. You can use a multiplier from 500 up to 1,000. And if I'm using the multiplier 500, I'm opening the position. You see here the volume of 500,000 US dollar because it's leveraged trading. And if you trade Forex, it's very important to use leverage because you see here the price changes are very small. So you have to use a leverage in order to make a high profit. So, but it's depending on the trader, what he's trading, short-term or long-term trading. For long-term trades, you don't need this high leverage. You can use smaller leverages, but for short-term trading, you should use a high leverage. And yeah, you use your multiplier. You see this directly here. What is my volume? What is the pip value? That means if the price ticking higher or lower, you see how much dollar it is. You can use here auto close. You can say I close this position if I'm losing $100, or you can say I close this position automatically if the price reach a price level. So but I have to stop here. We have to look on this trade. Okay, you will see this binary option goes wrong and I'm in the loss. I lost my investment amount. So this was just an example trade for you. I will do another trade, and yeah, I will go short here just for example. I go double the investment and go short here just to show you this example of trading here. And let's wait another 5 minutes. Back to the Forex trading. Yeah, it's very easy to do it, and you also see here you got the buy and sell button. You see here different transparent information about the Forex trading, and you see here the spread. This means IQ option earns money through the spread. Yeah, this is like a small commission if you open a trade, and IQ option earns that money. Yeah, because they have to earn money to give you the infrastructure of trading. This is completely normal. And yeah, this is Forex trading. The Forex trading window here. Okay, let's make an example trade of Forex trading. I'm using this investment amount. I'm using this multiplier. I say auto close on 1.109. My stop loss should be below here. And I will do this asset price 1. Okay, now the price is dropping. I use another stop loss. I use this stop loss, this low here. IQ option is marking you this low here. This is very interesting and good to see. I'm using this price 1.108515, and I click in here now on sell or buy, and this should be inserted here. You see this, as I told it tell it you, and I buy here, for example. Now I'm clicking on buy. Why I'm not into it? Now I'm into it. The window was closing, and now you see here my stop loss is here below. This is my stop loss. Here I bought. I also can set a take profit, but I did it not in this example. If the price dropping below here to this price, yeah, I lose 41% of my $1,000 investment, and the trade is over. The trade is closed, yeah, automatically. So you can limit your risk with this auto close. Yeah, you can also use auto close with your profit, and on the side you always see the profit of your investment. That is very good. I like this platform because you see directly what you can earn here. You can see all transparent information on the platform. So this is how you trade Forex. It's just an example trade. I say the market will rise here, and yeah, I go in here, and if the market rise here, I win money. At this time the market don't do this, just an example trade, you know, but this is how it works. I will close this position, close all, just for example trades. And yeah, this is how you trade Forex with IQ option. And it's similar to stocks trading. If I use the stock here, you see the order mask is the same. Yeah, just you can't use a high leverage in stocks trading because stocks are very volatile. That means the stock price is rising like more than $100 on one day, but the euro-US dollar is only rising like 1 cent in one day. That's why you can use a high leverage on Forex trading and don't use it on stocks. I hope you understand it. If you got a question, just write it in the YouTube comments below. I will answer quickly as I can. And yeah, this is how you trade. And yeah, it's similar to stocks trade. You can trade this asset here, EasyJet for example. And yeah, insert your amount and use your multiplier. You can change the multiplier. Yeah, and you see here directly what you can do here. Oh, let's back to my trade. Okay, this trade goes wrong again, I think. Yeah, no good example in this video, but I hope you understand. I will do another trade here. I will go in, I will go long, just for example purpose. And yeah, you saw here I made a lot of loss in this practice account. If I want to review this balance, I just click on deposit and click on fill it up to 1,000, but at the moment I don't do it. Just wait for the trade here. Now I did a 60-second trade. I will change this to a shorter time frame. We can see the chart better. And the market is rising. Okay. We see 20 seconds, and yeah, if you trade with a lot of money, it can be very how's it called in English? Yeah, you heard your heart can beat a lot. So for this time I made a loss again here. So this is example trades for me. It don't work at the moment, but in the next video I will show you exact trading strategies and trades here. So I made a loss here, but no problem. I can click on deposit here, and I don't know what it was, because my email isn't verified. I see. I don't know why, but I will do this in a second. Wait a moment. Okay, now it worked. Yeah, my practice account is topped up. I clicked here and yeah, it's topped up. So let's have a look. Another example. I just go here and wait for the market. Let's have a look. Let's wait here, for example, and I will show you another stuff on the platform. You can trade crypto here. For example, if you want to buy Bitcoin, I just type in Bitcoin and you see a different charts. Bitcoin X100, yeah, you can trade Bitcoin with a multiplier of 100. So a leverage of 100 in Bitcoin is very huge. So you should be careful with it if you're trading real money, but you can also trade Bitcoin with only a small multiplier like 3. And yeah, you can buy and sell Bitcoin here very easy on this platform. If you want to trade cryptocurrencies, you can trade gold. Yeah, it's like the same in like Forex. The order mask is the same. You use the amount, you use the multiplier. You can change it when you want to close your position, when you want to open your close your position in the loss and in the win. Very easy, I think. And yeah, let's have a look on the other features of IQ option. On the left side, you see your total portfolio, what you are trading active, what you are have for pending orders. You can see your trading history. This looks not good, for example, for my practice account for these test trades, but I don't care. And yeah, you can join the chats and support. You can chat with other traders all over the world. And you can just write the support if you click here below. They answer you 24/7. It's very fast support. And you can join here the market analysis. This is another interesting area of IQ option because you see here the different symbols. For example, here are the news. These are general news. You can click on it and you can read it. So for fundamental analysis, this is very good. And yeah, if you click here, you see the Forex calendar and you see here on 60 o'clock there are Forex news. And you see this small ball here or this circle. You see that if we got 3 circles, these are very hard news. So the market will have huge volatility and goes up and goes down. So you should be carefully with this news. Just look on this news and you see which what can happen here for your trading asset. If I click here on non-farm payrolls, I see the stats of the event, and I see what happened here because of the non-farm payrolls event. So this is very important if you trade Forex or not. So now I open another trade here. I go long here. I think the market will rise, just another test trade. And yeah, you see this here. Trend line, we are in an uptrend at the moment, and I go long here. You see the market is rising. I got in here. And let's have a look. Maybe I make a win in this trade. So another feature is the earnings calendar for people who are trading stocks. Yeah, you can directly see when will your stock get earnings, dividends, and yeah, when will the news will come out. This is important because always on these dates you got huge volatility. Yeah, huge volatility in your stocks, and be careful with this news. If I go in here, we can click on it and we can see what's happening in the stock. You see the currently earnings, the previous earnings, and yeah, what you can earn with the stock if you trade it. Another important news calendar is the crypto calendar. You see here what interesting news for different cryptocurrencies, Binance coins, and I see this trade goes right. 4 seconds, and I won this time $3,085 with this trade. You see here some other traders what they earned on this trade, and yeah, now I did a profitable trade just to show you how it works. Yeah, and that's about binary options trading. For beginners, you see here some videos. There are more than 143 videos. You can use trading videos, crypto videos, platform videos, CFD trading videos. If you are new to this platform, just watch some videos about it. But I think in this video I showed you a lot of the IQ option platform, how it works, how to trade, how to deposit, and yeah, how to use this platform. If you click on more, there are some other features like alerts. You can set an alert on your platform. You can say if the price hits a certain price, or if your market hits a price, you get a notification on your smartphone or on the platform with this function like alerts. So this was my review about IQ Option, what you can do on this platform. I think it's a very good looking platform with a lot of functions. From my experience, I like it a lot because it's so customized, easy to use. You can just start with only $10 or use the practice account like me. In the next videos, you will see some real account trading action on this platform. And there I will show you some strategies when I'm trading. And yeah, that was it for IQ Option. I think IQ Option is a reliable broker, a legit broker to trade here. Small fees, good support, good platform. And yeah, that's all what I need to trade for trading here. And yeah, see you in the next video. You will find the description link and the full review on my webpage in the description below. See you in the next video. Give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Goodbye.